Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's prepare an irresistible Thai-style lemon butter garlic boal fish, also known as Vaala, Meen. This recipe delivers a perfectly golden crust, tender and flaky meat, and a rich garlic butter sauce, bursting with fresh lemon flavor. Simple to make yet restaurant-worthy. Every bite is juicy, buttery, aromatic, and absolutely mouth-watering. Let's get started. Let's use Boal fish, which is popularly known as Vaala Meen in Malayalam. Take 750 gram of the tail portion of Vaala Meen, with the skin completely removed. The tail section is firm, meaty, and perfect for soaking up all those wonderful flavors. Make deep cuts on both sides of the fish. These cuts will help the seasonings penetrate deep into the flesh, making every bite incredibly flavorful. Generously rub salt over both sides of the fish, making sure it reaches every cut to enhance flavor and tenderness. Now squeeze fresh lemon juice generously over both sides of the fish, letting the tangy goodness seep deep into every cut for maximum flavor. Place the fish in an airtight container and let it rest overnight in the refrigerator, letting the fish juicy, tender, and packed with zesty flavor. The next day, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Allow the butter to slowly melt and become silky and fragrant. Carefully place the fish onto the pan. Gently move it around for a few seconds to prevent it from sticking. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper powder over the top. Cook on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes until the underside is perfectly cooked. Gently flip the fish without breaking its tender, juicy flesh apart. Sprinkle another half teaspoon of pepper powder on the other side and cook for 2 more minutes. Once the fish is nearly cooked, move it slightly to one side of the pan and add 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. Let the butter melt into a rich golden pool. Add 3 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Sauté gently until the garlic turns golden, aromatic, and releases its irresistible fragrance. Add salt to taste. Keep stirring until the raw aroma of the garlic completely disappears. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes for a gentle kick of heat. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves or parsley for freshness and flavors. Stir everything together for about 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour or rice flour. Mix thoroughly until the butter sauce becomes slightly thick and silky. Now, lovingly spoon this rich garlic butter sauce over the fish, coating both sides generously. Let it cook until the fish is perfectly done and beautifully glazed. And there you have it, an incredibly juicy, buttery, garlicky, and flavorful lemon butter garlic boal fish ready to serve. Don't forget to drizzle every last drop of the remaining garlic butter sauce over the fish. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this delicious lemon butter garlic boal fish hot and savor every juicy, flaky, buttery bite. Pair it with steamed rice, mashed potatoes, or your favorite side dish for a comforting, restaurant-style meal that's bursting with rich, irresistible flavors. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.